Hello, my dear student. Welcome to today's video. I am really excited to talk with you in today's video about ChatGPT Advanced Voice Conversation Mode. How can we use ChatGPT Advanced Voice for our teaching assistant or for our study? This topic I am going to discuss in today's video. First of all, how can you access it? So if you have a mobile phone, iOS or Android, you have here a symbol of conversation. You can tap on that, and which I will also showcase you in live demo at the after this introduction round. Yeah. So what we are going to discuss in this session. So first of all, how can you use ChatGPT Advanced Voice Mode for your teaching, for your learning? And before starting to do a demo with ChatGPT, let's discuss first what you need to keep in mind while using ChatGPT as a learning assistant. First of all, we will make sure that we already know prompt engineering techniques. Prompt engineering is what to ask, how to ask ChatGPT, so at the end you will get the desired output from ChatGPT. Yeah, so first of all, what is your goal? What is your objective? To communicate, to make a conversation with ChatGPT. So for us, it is our teaching assistant or for our study purpose. In today's demo, I will understand solar system using ChatGPT. How can you use it? Make sure to see a demo. You will find also timestamp directly start demo in this video. Then context. Okay, what is my knowledge? On which level should ChatGPT explain me about the solar system? And therefore I will give ChatGPT, okay, I'm a student of class 8, or maybe I am a student of university school, and that we need to give some context, some nuisance to get a desired output from ChatGPT. Then if there is a complexion in particular topic, then we can ask ChatGPT to break it step by step and make for us little bit easy to understand. Then you can also provide an example. For example, you like the football game and you need or you can understand better if we have some example based on football game. So you can ask you can give particular scenario, and ChatGPT will try to explain you using that scenario. You need to also set up constraint and limit. For example, I am a beginner, I need to get a context or a content easy to understand. And at the end, it is very important to play yourself, and with playing you can learn, you can master the skill to communicate, to converse with ChatGPT.
Hey, what's up? Feel free to ask me about anything that's on your mind. I'm ready to go.
Hi ChatGPT. Today
Hey there, how's it going?
I'm good.
What about today?
Today,
Glad to hear that.
Yep. Today I had a science lecture
Sounds-
on solar system, and I wondered that why day and night happening on Earth? Why Earth has a changing season like summer, winter, monsoon? And my science teacher told me that the science behind it is closed in solar system. So today I would like to use you as a teaching assistant, and please explain me the wonder of solar system. I am class of 8 student, and I would like to know more about the solar system.
Absolutely, I'd love to help with that. Let's start with why we have day and night. Earth rotates on its axis, which is an imaginary line running through the North and South poles. It takes about 24 hours to complete one full rotation. When your part of the Earth is facing the sun, it's day. When it rotates away from the sun, it's night. As for the seasons, they're due to the tilt of Earth's axis. It's tilted at an angle of about 23.5 degrees. As Earth orbits the sun, different parts of the planet receive more or less sunlight. When the northern hemisphere is tilted toward the sun, it experiences summer, while the southern hemisphere has winter, and vice versa. The solar system is indeed full of wonders, and these are just a couple of the amazing phenomena that happen because of our place in it.
Interesting. Now, can you tell me why Earth rotate on its own axis and then why Earth rotate around the sun? I don't understand why.
Great questions. Earth's rotation on its axis and its orbit around the sun both come down to how the solar system formed. About 4.5 billion years ago, our solar system was just a giant cloud of gas and dust. Something, maybe a nearby star exploding, caused this cloud to start collapsing under its own gravity. As it collapsed, it began to spin. This spinning motion is a fundamental property of physics called the conservation of angular momentum. It's like when an ice skater pulls in their arms to spin faster. Earth keeps spinning because there's nothing to stop it in space. Now, why does Earth orbit the sun? As that gas and dust cloud collapsed, most of the material gathered in the center to form the sun. The rest flattened into a disk, and the planets, including Earth, formed from this material. Earth's orbit is the result of a balance between the sun's gravitational pull trying to pull Earth in and Earth's tendency to keep moving in a straight line. This balance creates an orbit, keeping Earth moving around the sun. It's the same principle that keeps the moon in orbit around Earth.
Interesting. So, it is Newton's gravitational force and law of motion that applies on solar system, and therefore we have a motion in Earth like on its own axis and then motion around the sun. Great, thank you so much for explaining it. Now can you please tell me 10 cool things about solar system and then 10 cool things about our own planet Earth, which is fun to know.
Absolutely. Let's dive into some cool facts. First, 10 cool things about the solar system. 1. The sun's size. It contains 99.86% of the total mass of the entire solar system. 2. Planetary orbits. Most planets orbit the sun in a nearly flat disk shape, known as the ecliptic plane. 3. Mercury's extreme temperatures. Mercury has the most significant temperature variation, ranging from extremely hot to extremely cold. 4. Venus's day. A day on Venus is longer than its year due to its slow rotation on its axis. 5. Mars's largest volcano. Olympus Mons is about 13.6 miles high, nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. 6.
Thank you so much.
Jupiter.
I'm happy with 5. Now can you please tell me 3 cool things about our planet Earth, which is fun to know?
Sure thing. Here are 3 cool facts about Earth. 1. Diverse ecosystems. Earth is the only known planet with life, thanks to its diverse ecosystems, ranging from deep oceans to lush rainforests and vast deserts. 2. Plate tectonics. Earth's outer shell is divided into large plates that float on the mantle. Their movement causes earthquakes, builds mountains, and forms volcanoes, constantly reshaping the planet's surface. 3. The water cycle. Earth has a unique and dynamic water cycle, where water evaporates, forms clouds, precipitates as rain or snow, and flows back into oceans and rivers, supporting life globally. Earth is truly an amazing place.
Wonderful. Such an amazing fact to know. Now, I would like to use you as my teaching assistant in future as well. ChatGPT advanced mode, I would like to use as a teaching assistant. Can you tell me how can I use you further for my study?
I'd be delighted to help you with your studies. You can use me in several ways. First, explaining concepts. If you're stuck on a topic, I can break it down into simpler terms. Just ask me about anything you need help with. Second, practice questions. I can generate practice questions for various subjects to help you prepare for exams. Third, homework help. If you're working on assignments, I can assist by guiding you through problems or providing examples. Fourth, research assistance. I can help you gather information on a wide range of topics for projects or presentations. Fifth, study plans. I can help you create a study schedule or plan to cover all your subjects effectively. Whenever you need assistance, just ask, and I'll do my best to help you out. How does that sound?
That sounds great to me. Now, I would like to test my knowledge about today's session. Can you please ask me 2 questions? If I will wrong, correct me in 1 sentence. If I am right, then tell me I am right and give me some evaluation at the end of the day. Yeah, go ahead.
Sounds like a plan. Here's your first question. What causes day and night on Earth? Is it A, Earth's orbit around the sun, or B, Earth's rotation on its axis?
I think it's Earth rotation on its own axis cause a day and night.
That's correct. Earth's rotation on its axis causes day and night. Well done. Here's your second question. Why do we have different seasons on Earth? Is it A, the distance between Earth and the sun, or B, the tilt of Earth's axis?
I think it's a tilt of Earth's axis that we have a different season in a time.
Exactly right. The tilt of Earth's axis is what gives us different seasons. Great job. You've got a good grasp of today's session. Keep up the fantastic work.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. If you ever need more help, feel free to ask. Happy studying!
Thank you so much for your attention. In future, if you would like similar video, then feel free to subscribe, hit like button, and put in comment which kind of tool, which kind of content you would like to have for your study, for your education.